Well, hi and welcome. I am here to show you how to do a Kodi fork once again, but this time everything's going to be done correctly. I have tested this on 2 different apps and both times it's worked. So here we go. Well, first thing you want to do is you want to get APK Easy Tool. You want to get the SMALI file that I will include into the description of this video. The link to the APK Easy Tool will also be included in the description of the video. You will also require the official Kodi APKs, either one or both. I prefer to have both. So here we go anyway. So as you can see, I've got the 2 main APK files here. Select one and then you'll get this. And all we do is we decompile that. This will, depending on how long it take, how old your computer is, depends on how long it'll take to decompile. Also, as another thing, in order to run APK Easy Tool, you will need the latest Java installed on your computer. So as you saw then, it came up decompile complete. So we select onto the decompile APKs and there you will see your decompiled app. Now, go into that. First things first, I always go from top to bottom, so we'll go into assets, then add-ons, and you copy and paste your add-ons straight into there. As you can see here, I've already got my add-ons put into a separate folder for me to copy over. So I just highlight them both, copy, right click, paste. Now you'll see them both pop up there. Now you want to go back out of assets. You want to go into system, straight to add-on manifest, right click, down to edit with Notepad++. Here, as you can see, you will see the list of all the add-ons that will be enabled as soon as you boot Kodi. So all we do is type in the relevant information to your add-on. I'll just right click that, right click, paste, and then you follow all of them, exactly the same for any other add-ons you want to include into your fork. You have to do the same. Then you head up, click save. So that's your add-ons manifest done. Head over into settings. You go to settings XML, open that with Notepad++. Now with this one, Control and F on a Windows machine. And as you'll see, I've already got it written here. You just click on Find Next, it'll bring you straight up to unknown sources bit. You want to change this false to true. And you save that. and you go back again. Now go down to user data. Now here you've got your normal links, which if you're going to edit them, by all means you can, as long as you leave one link running. The other two don't have to be, just one has, you have to keep one, but the other two can be dummies. However, I've already done mine, and I'll just copy and paste my own RSS feed file over. You go back again. Now this one, res. Now you'll see here I've got all these files which host all my information, all my art. Now my advice is if you can do this, where you just have them all in the files without any extra information, just the images, because if you come over to the actual decompile, you've got all these XMLs, you've got a few other bits and pieces like these which you don't need. As long as you have these main images in there, you can do exactly what I'm about to do. But if not, you just make sure that all the images, these images, there's that one, and that one, they all have to be the correct size. Like that one's 1920 by 1080, and you have to they have to keep the same name. But you have to do that with each and every single one of the drawables, and the drawable ones with the version 4 on the end. Ignore this one because that's not got any images in it. Just these 3 here and these 4 at the top. And because I've already got them, I will just right click, copy and paste. Now all that'll do, as you can see, it throws this up, just asking if I want to overwrite. Click yes. Now I'll show you myself. Look, my images are now in place, and it's kept the XML files. It keeps everything else, it just changes the main images. It doesn't overwrite anything else, just the main images you want to overwrite. Now you want to head down to values, go to strings, right click, edit with Notepad++. Here you want to change the Kodi to the name of your APK. I'll just name mine as T2K because I've already done mine. And you change the search hint as well. The search hint, it's when you search for an app on your phone or a tablet or something, whatever. Save that, close it. Now you go back again. Now I almost forgot about this, assets. So you go back to assets, go to media. Now as you can see, you've still got these images here, which thanks to a friend, to someone I know I've been speaking to on Telegram, he actually told me about these. I didn't know about these at first, that you had to change these, but yes, you have to change these images in order for it to work. So mine are here. As you can see, mine are already been done, ready just to highlight, right click, copy, come over to the decompiled APK and just paste it into the same folder as these and replace. Because all mine are already named and the correct sizes, it'll just overwrite them and I know they work. So now we go back to the main AP decompiled APK folder. Now down to SMALI. Now your SMALI the same SMALI will work on both versions. It doesn't matter which version you're on, the same SMALI file folder will work on both. So as you saw, you right click, copy and paste it over to your SMALI folder of the decompiled APK. So as you can see, it says SMALI change me. So you change these to a name of your choice. So mine just says hi how T2K. I think I have to put right. Hi there T2K. Yep. So you just change the names of them folders, them three folders, and then as you on the last folder you go into it. So you'll be brought up with this. Now you right click on your first SMALI file, edit with Notepad. As you can see, you'll be presented with this. Now you want to go to the top where it says L, capital L, SMALI change me. Highlight it, Control and F on Windows, and you want to go to find in files. Now for this you want to go to your decompiled folder, which mine are in documents. You want to go down to SMALI and just highlight the first folder you renamed, just highlight it, click OK. Now this you want to name it to following the first letter, so it's capital L and then it's hi dot there dot T2K. Actually no, I was wrong there. Hi / there / T2K /. And then all you do is you click on replace in all files and OK. That will replace all of them in this folder. Saves you time going through each and every single one. Now see where it says SMALI change me here? I'm going to highlight, Control and F again, find in files. This one you want to name it hi dot there dot T2K or whatever name you named your folders, and do the same thing again. Replace in files, click OK. And as you saw, that's changed 21 of them. Click close, and because you've done that you can just close this, you don't need to save it, it saves it automatically. Now you want to go down to splash fill cache, right dot SMALI, right click and edit with Notepad, Control and F again. Now this one you want to look for please, find next, click on find next and it'll bring you to here. Now I like to put something simple. and then after you've changed that, Control and F again. This time you're looking for start. Okay, starting. I know there's another line in here somewhere. Oh, that's the only line, sorry. So you save that, close it. Then you go to state machine.smally and edit with that. This is the right one. Now Control and F again. Find next, and it'll come up with starting WBMC. Change that to whatever you want. And then Control and F again. Click on find what you type in please again, and it'll bring you here. Now here you can see it says in capital letters change me. So we change that to whatever we like. And you save that, close it. Now you come back out of the SMALI folder, come back out of the folder that you created, back into the SMALI folder. Now you go to org, xbmc, Kodi. Now here, you go to splash state machine, edit with Notepad++. In this one, we do the exact same. But instead of Kodi, we put our own in. Control and F again. And we search for starting. And where it says Kodi, we change that to whatever you want it to say. Save, close. That's all that done. So we'll go back, and now when you go into Android Manifest, edit with Notepad++. Now on your first line, you'll see here where it says package org.xbmc.kodi. Change that to the name of your SMALI folder. So mine says hi.there.t2k. Now you head off over to here and you scroll down. You see here these three lines, line 61, 62 and 63. Your first bit only. Do not change this bit. Change this bit here on all three lines. So it'd be hi.there.t2k for me, but for you it'd be different. It'd be whatever you named your SMALI folder. So it'll look like that. They remain the same. They remain as they are, them three. But these three have to be changed to exactly how you see it here. Leave the end of it do not touch that end bit of the file, of the of this. Only change the first 3 words. Leave the 4th at the end as it is. So you click save, close that. Now head off to APK tool, edit that with Notepad++. Now here you change this to, I like to put signed underscore T2K for me. And what I also like to do is, after doing that, scroll to the very bottom and see where it says null. Change that to the same folder as you, same way as you did your SMALI. So mine would be hi.there.t2k. And then you just save that, close it, and that's it. All you do then is you come over to here, and I like to rename it. So signed underscore T2K, just like that, and then all you do is hit compile. Excuse me. And as you see, it'll compile. Once it's finished compiling, it will sign it, and then it'll throw a little box telling me that it's completed. Right, it's signing the APK now. And there you go, it's signed successfully. Just click OK, and then all you do is head over to your APK Easy Tool folder, down to recompiled APKs, and there's your newly compiled APK signed and ready to go. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, like, anything. Hope this helps a lot of you out. Thank you, goodbye.